Sefer Vayikra, Parashat Tazria, 7th Aliyah. The Kohen shall look after the affliction has been washed, and behold, the affliction has not changed its color, and the affliction has not spread. It is contaminated. You shall burn it in fire. It is a penetrating affliction in his worn garment or in his new garment. But if the Kohen shall look, and behold, the affliction grew dimmer after it was washed, he shall rip it from the garment, or from the leather, or from the warp, or from the woof. If it appears again in the garment, or in the warp, or in the woof, or in any leather utensil, it is an eruption. You shall burn it in fire, that which contains the affliction. But if the garment, or the warp, or the woof, or any leather utensil had been washed, and then the affliction left them, it shall be immersed again, and it shall become pure. This is the law of the tzarat affliction, a garment of wool or linen, or the warp, or the woof, or any leather utensil, to declare it pure, or to declare it contaminated.